you want to find out what's really behind this Instagram follow or unfollow method that's happening and what people are actually encouraging you to do and advises you to do to grow your Instagram, I'm going to share to you the strategy and the real reason why people do it and why I think maybe you should do it or maybe not. If you want to find out about it, then keep on watching. Hello you guys, welcome to She Strategy Go YouTube channel. I know, my hair keeps getting weirder and weirder, and I pre-film all these videos. I'm not gonna hide that. I batch my content because that's the strategy that I have, and it's working, and it will work for you if you want to actually use YouTube for your content and sharing your content out in the world. Anyway, by the way, hi, my name is Jenna. I promise I'm not that weird. I am weird because I love Jesus. I'm crazy about Jesus, and you can say that I'm weird. And also this hair, what's happening with this? But you know what? Just ignore it. It's just a bun, and I wanted it to be a little bit different. You know, if it becomes a trend, then why not? Oh my gosh, the more that I talk to the camera, I do not shut up. Hi everyone, my name is Jenna, and I am actually an Instagram business coach, and I do primarily help Christian women turn their God-given passions and gifts into a profitable business without being held back by what everyone else thinks. And this YouTube channel is for you if you want Instagram marketing content, free trainings on Instagram marketing and Instagram business things, online entrepreneurship, Christian entrepreneurship. So if you're interested with that, then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified with our new videos, which are released weekly on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Now let's go to the actual content. Unfollow and follow method. What is it actually? So what I really mean about this, to give you a proper context so you understand, so we're having an understanding here, right? It's when, have you seen those follow Fridays, or just, you just follow each other even if you don't really like content that they're sharing, but you're following them because you want to have more followers. And the more followers you have, the more legit your business is, right? Wrong. I don't really agree with it. Thinking of people as well, especially your product business. But honestly, people see through you. If you just bought your followers and you don't have much engagement and no one really knows you, so even if you have thousands and thousands of followers there, it might seem like, yeah, this product is legit. But once they see your content and no one's really liking it, then that's a red flag. And if you're actually looking at Instagram profiles like that, then that's a red flag, right? Why are you gonna buy from them if no one's actually interacting with them? It's just one of the first impressions of people, and people nowadays don't just leave after 5 seconds. Some people do, but my main point is that do not fall into the trap of aiming for just 10,000 followers, 100,000 followers. That doesn't work. That's not gonna make your life easier. That's not gonna make your business grow faster and have more clients. So I've fallen into that trap. Do not fall into that trap. And that's why I'm big on that, the follow and unfollow method. When you're applying it to just the random people that you follow, then don't do it. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna help you, and even for the algorithm favoring your business in the long run. No. Even engagement groups, for some influencers, it does help if you're actually just helping other influencers who are in the same niche as you, then it's okay in the beginning. But honestly, if you're a business, it's gonna hurt your Instagram. Believe me, because it's gonna mess up the algorithm and it's gonna bring you people who are actually so random. But for my business, like, though I primarily it can be for everyone, but I do want to serve and specifically work with Christian women as one-on-one clients or things like that, then I have a specific goal in mind when it comes to that. Does that make sense? So will I recommend follow or unfollow method when you follow random people? No, absolutely not. Do not do it. Can you grow with this method? Yes, you can, because you're gonna have more followers. will they keep following you forever? They would probably also unfollow you, just as what you are planning to do. Because let us not kid ourselves. You're planning to unfollow them too, you know, because you're not really interested with their content. Should you focus on doing this with your time, with your very precious time? Absolutely not. So what should you do then? Okay, when I hired someone to actually do some organic marketing for me, I did tick off the box follow or unfollow as well. But okay, here's the thing. What are you gonna specifically do with this? Follow people who are actually your ideal audience. And then if they follow you back, then that's great. It means they're interested in you. Believe me guys, everything I'm saying here, I'm learning. I've learned from my mistakes and I'm sharing with you as honestly as I can. And I do not know all things, obviously. And maybe the things I'm gonna share with you a year from now will change from what I'm sharing right now. But until then, this is what I will share to you today. If you learned something from today, then please like and share this video so more people can actually learn the things that you learned from me today as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Lastly, if you actually need help with your Instagram growth and community growth, I do have online courses geared towards that. Just check them out on our website, shestrategyco.com. I'm gonna link it down below, and follow us on Instagram as well, because more news and updates are gonna be there because we post there every day and I'm there every day. So, all right, thanks for watching, you guys. All right.